Hey guys, Davo here. I'm at my favourite eating spot here in Korat in Thailand. It's called SHABU. All you can eat, 259 baht, is it? 259 baht. You get prawns and all your veggies and everything. Everything that's on the table here. I just change it. You got all my prawns, you got chicken and rice. Food, you get all your soft drink. I'm here with my brother-in-law. That's his wife over there, sister-in-law, my wife, myself. Only thing you pay extra for is your beer or alcohol is extra. Everything else is included, all your soft drink as well. Desserts, cakes, ice cream, it's all included in the price. It's all you can eat. So we will be going back a few more times. Prawns, I just tasted a few prawns, they're absolutely delicious. That's cooking away. Okay people, we've got to get stuck into this and I'll catch us all later. Bye.
ไปโหลดวันหลังเนี่ยไปโหลดวันหลังเนี่ยเดี๋ยวซื้อกี่วันหลังหลายโปรแกรมเหลือเกิน